Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers on Instagram. Let's first launch the Instagram app. You want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and hit the three straight lines on the upper right. Then I want you to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. This is where the magic happens, guys, okay? I want you to simply scroll down and go to the section that is called who can see your content. Now, for you to be able to hide your followers, following list, and not allowing other people to click on the people you follow and people who follow you, and also see your post, see the post that you were tagged on, all you gotta do is to click on account privacy and then click on private account. Very important note over here, you can only switch to private account if your current account is creator or personal. If your account is business account, you cannot switch to private account. You gotta switch from business account to either personal or creator to go back to private account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.